days when I'm not with you, babe. Your love keeps me warm. Unconditional, I'm on. Your love is
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog, a day in my life as an Asuu strike victim. Asuu don't show me shaky. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Aisha, but you can call me I, the YouTuber on here. Consider subscribing to this channel because a lot of work go into making this video, so consider subscribing. And you can follow me on my Instagram page as official boss lady. It will be in the screen. Yeah, so guys, it's been a while. I know I have not been keeping up with this vlog. Permit me, guys. I don't know if you know, I work a 9 to 5 and I'm only free on Fridays and Sundays. So today is Friday. This is where most of the vlog will be today. I have my yam on fire.
I wake up, I see you as you leave. I feel it, I see it as you leave. When we kiss, I want deep, but you're far. Used to be my everything, treated me like I was a queen. What spell did it cast on me? Or what's it a make believe? They say, girl, never be afraid, ever loving me. Those words
Guys, we're in the living room now. I just said I should update you guys as the rice is on fire. Guys, I don't even know what to say again. Like, I'm short of words. I know I've not been consistent. Not like I've not been consistent, guys. We do believe I've edited 2 vlogs down. They're supposed to go up last week. That one was supposed to be up 1st of August and the other one within the week. But I did not put them up. Now, let me tell you why I did not put them up. Okay, this was the reason why I stopped vlogging the last time, and I'm still in that stage now. Like, I'm really struggling out of this stage. The stage that whenever I make a video is, to me, I feel it's boring. Whenever I edit my videos, I am not satisfied. I feel like they're not perfect. I know, yes, I'm using my phone to vlog, and it's not compulsory. It needs to be clear. Like, it can't be really clear because I'm using my phone to vlog. But a lot of things, those 2 videos that will stay with me, but I feel they're not interesting and they may not get much engagement. And you know, YouTube now, we need to be monetized this year. That's the goal for this year. As I've started vlogging again, I'm putting my all. So please, guys, like, comment in this video, and subscribe. Please subscribe and share with your friends. It means a lot to me. As an Asuu victim, I get no work. So guys, let's go and check the rice and see if it's ready. Another update, today is Friday, so as a Muslim I need to go for Jumat, but I need to follow my dad somewhere now. Like he said, we need to go 9:30. It's past 9 already, and when I'm back from Jumat, inshallah, I'll wash my clothes. And also Friday motivation needs to go up today. So much responsibility for a small girl. So much to do. So much to do. Come on. Well, I can do that, inshallah. So I will try to vlog Friday motivation now to ease my stress.
Days when I'm not with you, babe. Don't love kiss me, unconditional prison. I'm on. Your love is something I want. Your mind is something to feel. Your mind is something that's real. So at the end of the day, it's true. Now me and you go there as the sun go on. Now me and you go there till the sun come up. Anytime she control me, she dey tell me baby cause it put you for me. Hot fuck every day you dey consume me. Then she want it every day we make it move with us. My baby make it. I'm looking for some peace of mind. I'm looking for some peace. I'm looking for some peace. I'm looking for some peace of mind. Whoa, whoa, whoa.